2, 3. There's 4 running the light. Jeez. Get the phone out of your hand, asshole. Got a phone in one hand and a vape in the other. That's why accidents happen.
All my receipts checked off and checked and chewed up.
Whoa, 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 whoa! Jesus Christ! Did he even look? Fucking idiots. Stop. Good stop. Good stop. Wow, that was a bad red light. Jeez. I just ran a red light. That's a red light. Good job, buddy. Block the video. That's a red light. That's a red light. Jesus. That's why I didn't go. I had a feeling. Let's stop. Fuck. Holy fuck. He didn't stop or slow down or anything. He just flew right through it. Good stop. Nice stop, buddy. Jesus. Jesus, cut the corner, lady. Holy fuck.